Welcome to the Troomi Quick Guide for Billing. In this video, you'll learn what you'll be charged at checkout and your first bill. We'll also break down our billing email and reasons payments could fail. When you purchase a Troomi phone from our website, you'll pay for the phone, activation, first month of service for your plan of choice, and shipping. When you purchase a Troomi phone from Amazon, you'll pay for the phone via Amazon. Then during activation, you'll be charged for activation, first month of service for your plan of choice. On the first of every month, you will receive an email with your invoice. Your auto payment will also be processed to the credit card on file. It's important to understand that because you prepaid a month of service when purchasing a Troomi phone. When you get your first bill, you will have a prorated cost dependent on the amount of actual service you use that month, so it should be less than what your regular monthly cost would be. For example, you purchased a Troomi phone on the 13th of April, which has 30 days. Your first bill would be created with 17 days of usage, making your bill for the month lower to cover April. Let's break down a monthly invoice. The billing summary includes your statement number, the service period you're paying for, the cost of your previous invoice, and finally the new charges and total due, which is the amount you were charged upon receiving the invoice. An itemized bill is shown per line on your account. In this case, we have one active phone line. It shows that this customer has the Discover plan and a 3-year warranty followed by the taxes and fees, which is subject to change depending on your location. The total here should match the total in the new charges. And finally, you'll have a section for payments for the last 2 billing cycles. This is not what you'll be charged. You'll only be charged the amount listed in the new charges and total in the billing summary section. If a payment fails, you are notified via email and text. Payments can fail for a variety of reasons, including insufficient funds, an expired credit card, or your banking system suspects fraud. You are encouraged to update your billing information via the Parent Portal account page. If you have any questions about any of the billing process, our support team is here to help you.